This video is how to view multiple events on a Notifier 320 system. Currently there are two troubles on the system. The display should scroll between them approximately every 3 seconds, or you can use the acknowledge to scroll through those. So currently we have a trouble on panel circuit number 4, which is a bell circuit 4 and bell circuit 3. If an alarm occurs on the system, it will cover up those troubles as shown. We'll acknowledge that. If you press your acknowledge, you can no longer see the trouble conditions that are hiding behind the alarm because we have not silenced yet. Once it's silenced, now you can scroll through the alarms and the troubles. So we see we have one alarm on a heat detector and our two bell circuit troubles.